Hi, this is Emily from CESIPC. Today I will introduce our new tablet. It's TPC-1062NA 10.1-inch rugged tablet terminal from CESIPC. It's powered by the Intel Celeron J1900 processor, delivering stable and efficient performance. It comes with 4GB onboard memory and supports storage options up to 256GB. The device is equipped with two USB ports, two LAN ports, HDMI, and an audio jack. Its front panel features customizable function keys for easy and intuitive options. Additionally, it supports optional front and rear cameras, SIM card slots, NFC, and other custom modules to meet diverse application needs. These include charging dock. It's more than just a power station. It also functions as sturdy desktop stand, allowing users to switch effortlessly between mobile and stationary models. This improves workspace organization and enhances daily operation convenience. Designed with reinforced rubber corners, the TPC-1062NA is built to withstand accidental drops up to 1 meter on the standard industrial environments, ensuring reliability and durability in the field. Currently adapted in baking and automated warehousing, this tablet device is also well suited for smart retail and self-service management, field equipment inspection and maintenance, traffic enforcement and mobile ticketing, medical data collection, outdoor energy and environmental monitoring. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for your time.